Bad bacteria causes illnesses like the common cold, pneumonia, urinary tract, respiratory, and other common infections which cause your doctor to prescribe an antibiotic. But some bacteria, like the good bacteria found in your gut, are actually healthy for you and necessary for proper digestion and immune system health. When you're sick, antibiotics rush in and kill off all those icky bad guys. It works really well. However, because antibiotics can't tell the difference between good bacteria and bad bacteria, it leaves your gut without the beneficial bacterial defenses it needs. And that can leave you with some not-so-enjoyable side effects while you finish out your prescription. Diarrhea, yeast infection, C. diff, a weak immune system, and upset tummy. Lucky for you, your Solutions RX pharmacy has a cold bottle of superior probiotics waiting to help protect your good bacteria while you battle the bad. Probiotics introduce good bacteria back into your gut. Superior Probiotic has 6 active strains and over 20 billion units per serving that get straight to work restoring your bacterial balance in your belly. It would take 10 cups of high-price, high-fat yogurt to equal the active strains in 1 capsule of Superior Probiotic. I don't know about you, but I don't want to eat 10 cups of yogurt every morning. Plus, Superior Probiotic has a prebiotic combination. Prebiotics are amino acid strains that act like fertilizer to help the good bacteria replicate and do their thing. This makes Superior Probiotic ideal to take every day to help alleviate tummy issues and maintain overall health. Whether you're taking antibiotics or just want to improve your gut health, see your Solutions RX pharmacist for a probiotic-prebiotic combination that's superior to the rest. Solutions RX. You'll have a healthy gut, strong immune system, and healthy body.